Vegetarian are not an encouragement to kill animals. It's a rejection killing animals. All beings that live in the world have the right to live. It's a law of the universe. Animals should not disturb or break this law. All beings, with including humans, are more in love, promote and protect their life than any other. Likewise, every being feeds bad, sorrow, and that sort of thing very well. Similarly, the Venerable Lord Buddha and the leaders of other religions point out that abusing or killing their own life is a very cruel act. The importance of my life is equal to importance of the lives of others. It has mentioned in every religion. The Lord Buddha point out that killing animals, ordering the killing animals, being at least biased towards killing animals, and honor killing is one way of breaking down the 5 virtues. Not only that, there are health benefits to being a vegetarian. Adopting a vegetarian diet can be the perfect way to stay healthy and happy. A vegetarian diet is a complete diet which is associated with high consumption of fiber, vitamin C and E, folic acid, magnesium, saturated fat, and numerous phytochemicals. And this is why vegetarians have low cholesterol, low blood pressure, and reduced risk of heart diseases. In addition, vegetarian food is easy for the body to digest, takes lesser time to cook, is healthy, and most importantly, save your money and animals. Vegetables are vital not just for our healthy living but for the environment too. So there are many factors that would attribute to an enriched lifestyle, and adopting a vegetarian diet is one factor you can follow. The more you eat fruit or vegetables, the lesser is the toxin and chemical buildup on your body, thus facilitating more healthy years and a long lifespan. Eating animal fat has no healthy benefits. Cholesterol triglyceride is a lipid, which is type of vegetarian food. Although cholesterol is an essential component of every human cell, vegetarians do not have to worry about not getting enough cholesterol because animal-free food can make the cholesterol body needs. After examining the long term of a following vegetarian diet, Korean researchers concluded that vegetarians have a lower body fat and cholesterol level than others. Vegetarians are more conscious about their food choices and generally never overreact or choose based on emotions, 2 habits that contribute greatly to obesity. The Department of Pediatry at the University of Hospital of Belgium says that a vegan diet is a good way to reduce the risk of diseases of obesity. Vegetarians usually experience high blood sugar. This can be prevented and the blood sugar flow can be maintained. If vegetarians switch to a vegetarian diet, a healthy vegetarian diet is easy to absorb nutrition and low in fatty acid. If you want to have a healthy skin, you need to eat enough vitamins and minerals. The fruit and vegetables we eat are rich in vitamins, minerals, and are rich in antioxidants. Moreover, because they are water-based, you can improve your health if you eat them raw. Many vegetarian diets are rich in antioxidants that can help you stay healthy. High fiber content. Fruits and vegetables also have a high fiber content, which is essentially for proper digestion. It improves metabolism and helps to rapidly remove toxins and other chemicals from the body. So being a vegetarian has a lot of more benefits than we have actually discussed in this video. Also, our intention is not to discourage or disrespect the non-vegetarians. Vegetarian food has its own benefits and non-vegetarian have its own. Thank you for watching this video.